Let's talk about the latest launch Vivo smartphone Y36i. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.56 inches HD plus water drop notch display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, 20:1:9 aspect ratio, approximately 89.67% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, 840 nits peak brightness, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera, along with anti-stroboscopic sensor. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 3 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.74 by 75.43 by 8.1 mm, and it weighs around 186 grams, and the color options: deep space black, fantasy purple, galaxy gold colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y36i has been expected priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 44,999 Pakistani rupees, and 13,999 Indian rupees, and 1,199 Chinese yuan, and around $170. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo Y36i smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.